Please ensure you have read and understood all instructions on the screen before undertaking this job. Start by parking the vehicle on flat, level ground with the handbrake applied. Turn the vehicle off and ensure both front and rear wheels are suitably chocked and the vehicle is safely secured before proceeding.
What's up guys, Mitch here. Today we're going to be installing our Superior Engineering stainless steel CV boot protectors for the 2015 onwards Hiluxes. First we're going to get in and remove the factory CV boot protectors, which is just 2 bolts underneath the lower control arm here, and then we can get into our Superior option. Now we've got the factory one removed, we're going to get in and remove our lower strut bolt, as our Superior Engineering CV boot protector mounts back to your main lower strut bolt. So we'll pull that one out and we'll line the Superior option up. Depending on which struts you've got, you may need to loosen off your upper strut bolts as well. Just so you've got a bit of room to be able to move the lower leg of the strut. This strut being our 2.5 has a bearing upper and lower, so we've actually got a bit of wiggle room to be able to move that strut to be able to line the bolt back up, but it's just something you may have to look out for depending on your struts. So firstly, you just want to mount up your 2 lower bolts. These will come with a bolt head protector. That way we can slot it up and just back into those factory holes on the bottom of the lower control arm. Now we've got your 2 lower bolts, just finger tight it up. We're going to put our lower strut bolt in, then we're also going to leave this one finger tight until we lower the car back down on the ground, and then we can torque them up. Alright, so before torquing up any of your bolts, you're obviously going to want to make sure you've got some Loctite fitted to all of your threads. With your lower strut bolt, you're going to want to put some Loctite on that one, and then wait until the vehicle's on the ground under its own weight before torquing that one up to spec. That way none of your bushes and your strut or anything are under tension at full droop, and then once you drop it down, they pull real tight. You get the best life out of your bushes, so make sure you tighten that one up once the vehicle's back on the ground. Once that one's done, you're all finished up with this one.